tryna make it, not tryna fake it, but I know I can get it right. They say, Ben, you at it again? I said, really?
Hey, who's excited for fall? Me. I love fall. Love fall, love the fashion, love everything about it. So a little Hydro Grip to prep for the skin, and then we're gonna get a little bit closer, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Bright Fix in almond butter. It takes a little while to get out, but I like blending this with my finger. I feel like it blends really nice with my finger. I mean with a sponge too, but something about the finger. Because this look is so easy, we're starting off with the eyes, and I'm just taking a light shade from this palette to set my eyelid. I ended up leaving my loose setting powder upstairs, and I was just ready to do this. Okay, now I'm taking this color that I use a lot, like I'm about to hit 0 on this. I'm applying it to my outer crease first, and then outer edge, and then I'm going to pull it into my crease. I'm doing a super simple look. Like, I can go to this look any time of day. It's just that type of look, you know. Now I'm taking this deeper brown, and I'm creating a diffused wing liner. I switched my brush to this Coastal Scents one because the shape of it just works better for what I was trying to do here, and I feel like the camera doesn't really do this look any justice, to be honest. After this, I'm going to take the color called Kim, and I'm going to apply this to my mobile lid, and after that I'm pretty much going to be done. I'm going to bring a little bit of light. Wait, what? I didn't even show you the color. I'm bringing a little bit of light to my inner tear duct here, and I'm just blending it upwards. I think it made it so pretty. This full frontal I got in this box right here, and 15% of it goes to a nonprofit organization that helps with gaining exposure for Black businesses. I feel like I'm doing a terrible job at explaining this. I'm gonna put it all in the description box and tell you why you should get it. It's great. Now I'm taking my foundation and just blending this all over like you do with foundation. You got potential, I can't explain. You're so persuasive, I made some changes. This concealer is new to my collection, and now I understand why it has 5 stars on Sephora. It's so good. Ooh, let me give you a little bit of TikTok magic. Ooh. Now I'm going to use Caramel Cutie by Fenty Beauty to add a little bit of color back to my skin. And then after this is a new company for me. I've never tried or heard of them, but they had this blush called Ophelia. Yes. I was super excited because I'm like, oh, Ophelia. I didn't even care if the color didn't fit me. I was like, I'm gonna have you. But the color of it is actually really nice. Now I'm adding back some of my moles, some real, some not so much, you know, but now I was looking for you lash, okay, stuck to my hand. I got these lashes from Amazon, and they're pretty nice. They're nice and fluffy, you know, they're cute. Now one of my favorite setting powders for my face is Charlotte Tilbury in Tan. It's bomb, expensive, but bomb. I left my loose setting powder like I said earlier, so stuck with that. And this, I thought it would be super cool to put in my waterline, and it was, but Kylie, can we talk about your pencils? Like, why is it like this? I'm gonna use this color right here for my lower lash line, blend it all up under there, and I think it was perfect with that liner slash lip liner. I feel like the camera doesn't do it justice, but it was really pretty up in that waterline, girl. Really pretty. Yeah, annoying. So I'm gonna use these two. First, this is Jones chocolate chip lip liner, and I'm not lip liner, girl. Hold on, let me come back. Okay, I'm using this as my lip liner for this color right here, pumpkin, and yeah, I like this combination.
let it go. Switch trying to give what I give. You ain't with it, then it is what it is. Baby, so adamant, they say that I'm too demanding. Baby, so ready to settle, thinking maybe I should give in. Baby, so, no, I'm just playing. I said what I said, and I'm saying that I could be right for a real one.
Bye. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also please subscribe if you are feeling this vibe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
I'm tryna make it, not tryna fake it, but I know I can get it right. Calling all of my blessings.